Good morning, guys. I just woke out for a morning work. It's 6:30 a.m. now, and this is Sandal Park inside Wala, near Yamuna Bank at Maharani Bagh Ashram. And this is a kind of foggy or snow early morning, and it's a very good place for an exercise, early morning exercise. People are doing that. It's all under development. Soon all these trees will be grown up and the park will be looking so nice. Let me just take you, all of you still inside more. And I just woke up. I don't know whether I washed my face or not. I just came straight for work, just thinking to make a short video for you guys to show you how cold it is here in Delhi as of now. And this is Yamuna Bank, and so big and so vast. We used to have this around this area. We used to have Church Delhi Sport or any sport that we used to conduct, but now they have make it into park.
And there is the flyway
Still under construction, overbridge. I just want to see this one. So looking so foggy and cold, and however I want to work inside and see how is this exactly appearing. I hope there's no snake around. If there will be snake, I'll be snagged by the snake. It's quite cool. Let me try zooming in and see if it appears clear. It's like this, very blur and foggy right now, right at this moment. This looks like Christmas tree, but this is not Christmas tree. Let me go back and take you to the way. Oh, my shoe all wet, man. It's okay. The grass are like this, very cold and chilly morning. Waiting on the world to change. We keep on waiting. I keep on waiting. When you go away. Which road should I be going now? Which road should I be taking now? I think this place will look good when the sun is setting down. It will make a beautiful, awesome full photos, I believe. If we take here, see, the angle is so nice. Or is it the view is good or my angle is nice? Whoa, good morning, guys. Good morning, family. You are how much? 16. Sorry, guys. How many of you? Not how much. The clear sky. This is just a park block. However, my front camera is hopeless now. Like hopeless camera, and we're going. I'm all alone. I have no refreshment, nothing. I just came right after work. I was so sleepy during the work time. However, I am now very, very, very fresh. I don't know how it'll look like, but let me take you guys till the end. This is the way still going. All this will be cut off. However, they have planted big trees. All this is gonna grow so big next time. In some years, in some good years coming ahead. My hand is freezing right now. My hand is freezing right now. Sorry guys, I have nothing to say, but it's always good working out in the morning like this, as long as we're not lazy and as long as we have nothing to do else, nothing else to do. I could have called to my brother or anyone else to accompany. However, I'm going alone, but this is all for good. All for good. I couldn't go home this year for Christmas. However, coming to this park this morning makes me feel so homely because of the weather, the clouds, the coldness, the breeziness, and the chilliness. That is already Noida, okay? Not that bridge, but behind the scene is already Noida. The park is still taking me deep down. I don't know what is this written here. I saw something written here. See, what is that? Hey, Delhi Development Authority. Okay. Compensatory plantation, Durga Expressway. Nice one, government. In their government. Nice work done. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Come. Come. Kudu. Are yaar. Oh, come on. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Go. What happened to you guys? You're not like my villager. You're like from someone's village. You don't too close me. You don't too close me. You don't too near me. When I want to near you and when I want to close you, huh? Is that a CCTV? Wow. I heard some shot. Baby. Fine, and this is me. Come on, let's get dressed up, man. At least a little bit. And guys, after getting here, I'm missing my village so much. I mean, I'm longing, not missing, however, longing to be home at this point of time. And this is two-way where William Shakespeare wrote the road not taken. Kidding. This is two dividend. And my front. There's two people coming. I am still going in. And also Yamuna River there. I don't know it's a river or it's just a bank, river bank. But I'm gonna show you how it looks like to the inside. It's extremely cold. However, I'm not going to do any editing on this video longer. I'm not going to do any sort of editing. Just straight away upload it for you all to enjoy, for you all to work with me early this morning. What is this? The 18th of 1920. Okay, I don't have the habit of wishing hi hello to everyone. I'm still new to this. If they wish, I'm ever ready. And this is one way taking there. However, the main road where I'm going, it's still taking me inside. It's freezing cold already. It's like that. Two people are coming behind me as well. Today I came so early, so there wasn't much people yet. But I heard every morning there used to be a lot of people. I see. Oh no, this is not ice. This is just white mud. white mud or I don't know, white dried soil. See, it's like that. There's nothing. Hey, where is this road taking me now? I am getting lost or what? I got lost. This is guava tree. What is that? Oh, is it because of the human being, huh? Oh, this is scary, man. Come on. I hope no snakes, nothing. Oh, it's already getting jungle. What happened? Where's my main road? How come I lost my main road? Hey, this is just taking me around only. Hey. I need to find my way back to love you again. I'm gonna find another you. Hey, I lost my way, man. Seriously. Vice versa now. It's been long that I didn't go. I think I should go there, not this one. Not this one. Not this one. The other one should be fine, I guess. Alright, seriously, how come this one? Last time I went here only. No. My hand is freezing cold for 11 minutes exposed outside. In this freezing, chilling morning. And there is a saying, a good bread to start off the day makes a man healthy and wise. I don't know if that was my saying or that is a saying from people. Yeah, this is one more restaurant coming. We still have to take. Good morning. Yes, these are the people I keep meeting. Guys, my hand is seriously getting cold now. What is this tree? Let me see, wait, nicely. What is this tree name? I didn't know. There's elephant sleeping wala, not waking up wala. I'm just kidding, okay guys, I am just kidding, but the view is nice. I know this is the correct road now. I'm going in with full confidence that it will take me to the right destination where I have to show you guys. It's quite long. It's quite lengthy. Oh, there's war. I heard something and then there is something. Here's something. Oh. Mba. Hello, Mba. No, they will not respond, I know. They are not crazy, they are busy eating. They are busy with their breakfast. Even there are 3 breakfaster. Oh, there are lots of breakfaster, yeah. Lot of have, like the English maker have. Load of black buffalo, black mithun. This is where take me home to the place I love, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road, almost saving West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Sitting on river, life is older, older than the trees, younger than the mountain, flowing like a bridge or streams. Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Alright, that's all for the singing, because I didn't know the lyrics any longer, and that's not a problem, because I don't have problem. What is this? I saw something, but I saw some birds. Good morning, guys. Oh, how many of you again? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I know 15. This is 15. That was 15 of them flying off, taking their early morning duty. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Also something nice and interesting. Oh, sorry for disturbing. Yeah. So let's go deeper more, and we are almost there. Oh, want me to share as well. Hi, bye. Good morning, Carol. morning. सही बात है, आपने सही किया है. ठीक है, और अंदर जाएगा. Now it's getting brighter and brighter. Daylight is getting in. I'll just reach, and almost there, deep down. And this here is still foggy, and there's still construction going on. Oh, all the same view. You guys must be tired of watching the same view, but this is all inside park, and it's still more. I don't know how far is it now. And it's funny that I got lost before, because I'm alone, and trying to connect with you guys make me somehow lost at the moment. Also, what is this? Clint. They cleaned one. The one that they cleaned. The clean that they want. Yeah. The clean that they want. The one that they clean. Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Look at the sky. The beautiful sparkling sky in the morning. Oh, there are many pigeons. I am able to see some pigeons over here, and see my hand is freezing cold right now. I can move, so I changed my camera position, and I'm going and stay for you guys only alone. Yes, here's some pigeon. Hello guys, good morning. What are you guys eating, man? Is there anything to eat for you guys? That too is of different type of little different type. One ngokpui also here. See this one? We call it ngokpui in our language, dialect. Crow. A crow. And this is a pigeon. I know this is couple. And that one also couple, I think, yeah. Don't go, okay guys. I'm just coming to say hello to you guys. Don't fly off. Don't go away. Yeah, you can fly up, but don't fly off. You can fly up, but don't fly off. You both can also fly up, but don't fly off. Okay. Hello, guys. No, don't go away, bro. I'm just trying to capture you. You know. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Where's your home? Oh, north side. Okay. Where? Near Vijayanagar or near Kashmiri Grad? Grad? Near Kashmiri Grad is your home? Huh? Hey, they flew off, man. Chalo, bye bye, okay? Don't be romantic. But during this winter, you can be, of course. But don't sleep too much, okay? Bye bye. Hi, good morning. Morning. Hi. I think I'm almost there now. I could feel the ground. I can smell the grass of the ground. Not this the grass of the outer ground. I can smell the inner ground now. This is Hinyega. This looks like Zalmiki Kang. And this looks like Pesumikam, Zogikam side. Now the background looks like very hot, and will be there, yeah. Whoa, this is a Poga, the elephant's way. The elephant's way. Oh, this is tiny deer. It's tiny birds. Oh, sorry. So shit. Oh, so shit. Where do you guys going, man? Very small. They're very small. See? Very small and tiny. And they're having fun. They are not willing to come. They're too small to be scared, so I understand. And they are worth being scared of me, you know. This side is something. God, let me show you my full suit one time. One uncle is coming again, so let me take the camera to the front now. 1, 2, go. 1, 2. This is another road taking to somewhere else, and this is the road that will take me now finally to the river that I'm going, the Yamuna Bank. The Yamuna Bank of Delhi. And this is the hard work of Mr. Tasupui. I know Mr. Tasupui is, I don't know, big mouse or big rat type that live in the bush mostly. I don't know what is that called in English, because I'm just a Zema guy and I know what is it called in Zema, and that's all. Thank you. It's freezing cold. However, I'm still going in as I need to reach my destination. And one flight is coming. I think there's someone staying on this one. Bye bye USA. See this flight. Let me check if this is Indigo or Air India or Jet Flight or what is that. Hey, you're shaking too much, bro. I cannot see you. Why you're flying so fast? Cannot see. And I don't know what's what. Huh? This is already like that. What happened, yeah? I think I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. Wow. There's small birds. See. See, they're very small one. They're so scared of me. See, even there's one crow. I don't know, man. Why is this park like that? Oh. Hey, yes, come on, baby. Hearing you guys, I miss my home. You know, my home's like your villagers, your people type man is there. Come on, man. Yeah, I miss my hometown so much. Hearing you all. But I'm not kind to them at my home. I should for my career. But I'll not show you guys here. Oh, I'm in the right place now. Okay, Salah. I have been longing to see you, dear. I don't know what is this meant for. Well, I'm almost now there. This is where I long to be. Oh, this is the place where people play football, huh? I just came across this one now. There is one very beautiful construction going on here. Very beautiful construction. That white part is like cloud, okay, guys? If I stay close, if I bring in close, it don't come clear. But see, this is the line. There's something like that. There's something like that. Oh, I have to go straight now. See the line. Let me work. Let me run. Let me run. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tino egg tino. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. I am in the river bank of Yamuna right now. However, this is still under maintenance or under development, because that is the reason why there is to see all this dust and all this there still, all this garbage and all this rubbish are still here. However, finally we are here where the water is. Finally we are here where the water is, and I'm taking you guys down here in the Yamuna River Bank. This is the Yamuna water. I hope there is no crocodile or something. If there's crocodile or if there's python, I'm scared. And if my phone goes off, then also I'm scared. I'm scared for all the things right now. I'm not secured. Wow, the view. This is the view of the riverbank, Yamuna, here in Delhi. Thank you for all of you for watching until the end. And with this, I come to the end. Yeah, just kidding, guys. I'm still going to show you. I wish I could go down, not even if it doesn't show in, this is the sky reflected from the Yamuna. A clear blue sky with some clouds. It's not a clear blue sky. I don't know if I zoom and see, still is it visible? That is overbridge, okay? That is the overbridge. So no, thank you guys. I'm afraid to stay longer here, Yasi. All this because of this, I'm scared I might fall and I might lose my life before uploading this video. So let's going back. So I'm going back, okay, from this river. I have got freshened up and now I'm getting back to my room to sleep, to rest. But before I go for rest, before I go for sleep, I love you all, and I'll make sure that I get this video uploaded on time, and you guys also can come and see. And anyone who wants to visit Delhi and wants to see this park, this Yamuna Bank, you can always contact us, contact me. If you contact me, you'll be it's all the same as you're contacting us. So you can contact me, I can take you here. Early morning is the best to visit, as per my experience, because I've been here in the evening as well. But evening time there used to be mosquitoes during summer days, so it's not fun and not fine. But early morning now it's so cold, and I mean it's cold and fresh, and there's no much smells of those garbage. But evening there is smells. White snow, or this is ice or what? Delhi ice or like this or what? Like oxygen. I don't know, this is like so foggy, yeah. Hello guys, I am going back now home. I mean I'm going back home now. What is this? I don't know, what is this antenna? Is it light? Okay, it's light. I think it comes when the night comes. I'm not clicking you, okay, if there is CC camera. I am not trying to click you. Whoa, there's one big bird flying away. Not flying away, flying in a way. Wow, the sky is clear. Next time I'll try to go with friends. We'll take something to eat, have fun, and maybe we'll go in the evening to have better view. As of now it's quite clear, however I'm all alone, so I'm getting bored now. Just kidding, not bored but tired. Not tired but cold. Not cold but also, oh, there's some water animal here. Let me show you. Wow, the grass. This grass is nice, looking nice. Full of this grass. However, see, water ducks are enjoying, having good time over here. They have put in this rope, but it's quite getting inside able. See, they're having time. Hello guys, good morning breakfast. How is the water? What, you guys are only swimming or what? Is it fishes there for you guys to eat? Is there any fish to eat? Oh, sorry. I am making a movement so much. 12. This is 12. This is 6, 5. This is 4. This is 3. This is 2. This is 1. This is 06. Who had a blue note surfer eyes to back up all those cases? Wow, this looks like so nice, yeah. Chalo guys, I'm done with. See you in another vlog, in another video, and thank you so much for having me subscribe, and I really love you all. I appreciate, and keep supporting. I am also dreaming to grow further. Chalo, thank you so much guys for watching my video till the end. I know this is not something interesting video, but I just took out myself to show you guys how the park looks like and how the parks will look like in some years ahead, as they are still constructing. And with this, I close my video for today. We'll see you guys on another video, and I'll try my best to come up with another interesting content in some days ahead. Not long away, not far away. I'll try to come up once again with a good video. Until then, take care, and everyone stay cool, stay handsome, stay pretty, stay beautiful, and stay amazing. Wonderful people, I love you all. Bye bye.